Okay, this video is a very quick video in regards to the Dinkum Navigator auto folding version using the joystick. So you have two buttons here, one's to open, the other one's to close. So that's the close, that's the open. You can look very closely, you'll see by the arrows which way it is. Okay, now it's in the close state at the moment, so to open it, you just press the minus button and that button there on the left there. And once you press that, it'll just open itself up. Okay, so once it's opened, now in order to close it, when you're using the wheelchair to open it, you just switch that off until it's switched off, just to reset, and then you switch it on, and then you can use the power chair to how you want. Okay, so basically use the power chair to how you want. However, if you want to close it, you use the positive and the lower key there. Press those together, and then you'll see it closing. Okay, and that's fairly simple. And you just raise it up and do what you want with it.